How to refresh suggested content on YouTube. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and now in the settings page, tap on the manage all history option. Now, tap on the controls option you see there and then tap on the manage history option again. And now in the interface that you will then be led to, you will see the delete drop down. Tap on that and then select the delete all time option you see there and then go ahead and tap on delete again. And with this, your YouTube history will be deleted, so tap on the Got It option, and with this, you will be led to a clear and fresh YouTube feed. So this was about how you can refresh suggested content on YouTube. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.